long time. Down, fall off. What did you just say?
Good little car, isn't it?
You got to speak up.
Why?
Because the fan's running.
Oh, good little car, isn't it?
Welcome back to Ben's Garage. We're in the garage along with the Mighty Panda. Now we did bring up the Top Don JS2000 jump starter to fire this thing up because it's been set out there for a good couple of months. Didn't need it. She pulled the choke out, a couple of cranks, and away it went. It was cranking for a little bit the first time because the choke had managed to let itself back off again. Anyway, it fired up. Hobbit's driven it in here. It's good to go. I'm going to make a start on this. I know potentially the Ben's Garage event, we're going to have some people out here and hopefully get this fixed up for the Hobbit and we'll get a CT on it. In the meantime, I'm going to go through and try and get all these lights working. I have noticed a puddle of oil underneath where the car was parked, so hopefully I can find where that is. It's not gushing out, but I need to know where it's coming from. And when the Hobbit touched it, it smelled like gear oil. I'm hoping that it was gear oil that was just sitting on the bottom of the engine and it's dropped onto the grass. These drive shaft gaiters clip on with a metal clip and they're not the best idea. Bloody Fiat crap. But anyway, I'm going to go through, see if I can get all these lights working as they should be doing. I'm going to try and sort out this tracking. As I said previously, we fitted a new steering rack with new track rod ends. I counted off the turns on the old track rod ends because I was going to use them again, but I thought, sod it, just put brand new track rod ends on. We're doing the car properly. I think the track rod ends, the new ones, were slightly longer than the original ones, so when I've turned them back on, the front wheels of the car are towing in quite a bit, so it's a bit of a job to move the car at the moment. So I'm going to get all that jacked up, get all that sorted out, and that will just leave the back end of the car for the Ben's Garage event if it comes off. So that'll be springs, shocks, wheel bearings, brakes. We was going to fit a tow bar on this car, but it's money at the end of the day. I can do that afterwards. So yeah, the Panda is back in the garage. I'm quite surprised it started up, to be honest. So yeah, just a little bit of a snippet. I'll be putting out some videos on this. I know a few of you, I won't say a lot, a few of you do like Panda progress. I'll be putting out, they won't be ever such long videos. There'll be, you know, if I can get these lights sorted out, bits and pieces like that. And I'll just go through little jobs like that and we'll leave the arse end for the Ben's Garage event. If that doesn't come off, I can just plod along and do that myself. And then we'll try and get it up to the CT station, get a test on it, and the Hobbit can start driving it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, it started up. There is a bit of an exhaust blow on the front somewhere, so we've got that to sort out, and I'm hoping that that is going to be fairly straightforward, because looking at those manifold bolts, they don't look ever so great. But yeah, all little jobs to do. So there'll be some Panda videos in amongst the Range Rover stuff, because I've got a few little jobs on the Range Rover I want to get done. And yeah, so we'll be taking it from there. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.